Hi everyone, not the best light, but it's about 11 o'clock. Sorry, I've been under the weather for a couple of days. And I decided we're getting out of the bed today and we're going shopping. Is that a good idea? We don't know. But we have Pepsi for the throat and the nose. And then we have snacks to sustain us. And we have my fabulous little bag that my friend Jenna gave me, filled with all of the goodies we need. Batteries, keys to the car, money. Money? Money? Do I have money? Yeah. Alright, so, gonna hit another Ollies. Going up north to Fredericksburg, hit a few stores, see what's up there. Let's go. Wow, I used to come up here every weekend and shop for decor for my home. When I first moved in during COVID, when things would open, I would drive all the way. Ridiculous. Couldn't even remember where it was. It's off Route 1, and it's a beautiful drive up here. So, I saw my other stores. There's one shopping center up here that I used to hit first off of Route 1, and it has a Ross, Marshalls, Five Below, Dollar Tree, all the good stuff. I pulled in there, and then I pulled out, because that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the Ollies. This dude's walking around making me uncomfortable, thinking he just can't find his car, hopefully. I don't know, but he's on video. Alright, let's go in. Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. I really want to give a big shout out to all of my new subscribers. I know that a lot of you have come here because you've seen the shopping hauls. Slight obsession. And sometimes I get in these kicks where I'm going to do a lot of shopping and then the bills hit and I'm like, oops, we need to stop that. So, yeah, for now, we're just enjoying hitting every Ollies around me that I can possibly find. I think this is going to be the furthest one, other than the one that is going to be further south. They only had this one table, so this is one side of it, and then I'm going to go up, turn around, and show you the other side, which is this side. There were a few things there that I haven't seen at any other store, like the lettering book. You'll see that coming up. I picked that up from Walmart probably in 2021, thinking I was going to learn lettering. I picked it up again because it was only $1 this time. Last time I paid like $19.99 for it and tried it and got frustrated and threw it out. It's a problem. So, do I need more stamps? not really. Did I get more stamps? Yes. Do I need these? Absolutely. The reason why I stopped right there shopping on that side and ended up going to another side, you'll see. I'm trying real hard. But there was a lady on the other side, and it was like she was zoned in on something over there, and I was like, okay, I get it. I'm going to back up and do this back corner, grab all these fabulous washies, and then I moved back up once she moved and was able to find these fabulous things. Really thought hard about it. Do I need them? No. They're $1. Should I? What would I use them for? I mean, hemming and a hawing, trying to figure out what I could possibly use them for. Don't need it, put it back. Put it back. I tell you what, got a slight obsession with, well, you know, now that everything's gone up, seriously, now that everything's gone up at the dollar store, if I can find something for $1, 98 cents, 72, picking it up, need it or not, I might need it one day. I may not need it today, but I might need it one day for 78 cents. Oh, yeah, I might. So, yeah, I went back through these stamps and made sure that I got what I wanted, in quotation marks. And, I don't know. I had fun. I had a lot of fun. They didn't have much out, but they did, like I said, have very different things. One of the things that I saw here was this. Don't know what this is. It's a microwave flour prep. We don't know. That must have something to do with baking. I've seen these large sheets at all of them. I don't need those. It's a problem. Anyway, then I find the lettering books, and I'm like, should I? Should I? I threw my other, it's $1. Throw it in the cart. Throw it in the cart. One day, I'm going to be retired, and I'm going to learn how to letter. Okay. Then I saw the alphabets, and I thought, well, those are always a good thing to have in hand. Well, that was the last one from that box. Let me just do a favor for all the other shoppers and bring forward the next box and throw that one in the cart. That was fun. That was the only two styles they had. Tell me this. This is an ombre t-shirt dye kit. None of the dye is in it. There's like 15 packages. None of them have the dye. And I'm sitting there, and I put it down, and we got to pick that up and look at that again. Did I see that right? Not a dye in it. We don't know. We do not know. Every box was empty. Do not know. Look, check the next one. Maybe there's one way back here with... No, that one's empty too. There's something on the other side that I looked at as well that had an empty box. I don't know if I'm going to show it or not, and I can't remember what it was because that was a long time ago now. That was this morning. Old people can't remember that long, okay? Okay. That I don't understand. It's called a kaboom, chocolate kaboom, and you're supposed to hit your chocolate mold cocoa bomb with it. Well, let's give those to the kids. Let's see how that works out. Okay, great. Moving right along, we hit a lot of baking things. I don't need sprinkles. I don't need spray-on edible icing. No, thank you. But if you do, it's at your Ollies in Fredericksburg, Virginia. These bags were fabulous. I picked up a few of those. They're great. Not that, but those. I'm pointing at my computer like you can see where I'm pointing. But you saw me pick them up a few seconds ago. This boxes and boxes of butterflies. Apparently people like butterflies. Then I went down the party section, and look what I find in the middle of the party section. Wrapped up for $2.99. American Craft 12 by 12 Who you trying to play? Who you trying to play, Fredericksburg? No. Annette, Ollies is calling your name. Look at that. All right, first stop was at Ollies, very successful, about $70. Some things were over $1. I found things that I wasn't finding at other stores, nothing that was mind-blowing, but good things for junk journaling, planning, things like that, just overall paper crafting. I didn't find any good machines or anything that were discounted, but that's all right. We got plenty of Ollies around Virginia that I'll just find. We are now going to go to BJ's. I need to fill up my tank with gas, and then I want to hit Michael's and pick up some Brads and look at their Halloween things. And then I want to hit Hobby Lobby. I need to get a wheel tracing wheel like you would use in sewing, but I've got a different idea for it. And I want to hit Ross just to see what they might have, if they have any happy planners or anything like that. So on the road we go. I sped this part up. My battery was dying both internally in my body and in my camera, and my head was just, it was really hurting. So I went through, I looked at the Happy Planner stuff. All the teacher Happy Planner stuff is 50% off. And then I just turned the camera off, went and got what I was looking for. All right, I had a good haul in Michael's. I was able to find everything I was looking for. I found some things I wasn't looking for. I did not get them. I was good. Terrible, terrible headache, neck ache. Really need to get something to drink. Wanting real bad to go to that Home Goods right there. We can't do that. That's not on the list of stores to hit today. Main one was Ollies. Then I wanted to hit Michael's. Now we want to hit Hobby Lobby. And then we're headed home. Let's go. Welcome to Hobby Lobby. 2 weeks before school even starts. It's not even mid-August. Barely. Sneak peek at this year's Santa at Hobby Lobby. He's pretty. That there Hobby Lobby will get you every time you go in. You thinking I'm just going to pick up one, maybe two things? Well, you better be prepared to get more, because they got at least 6 months worth of decor out, and you can be prepared. Okay? Look at all that. Look at all that Christmas. And what, you think you got 3 more weeks at the pool? We're talking Christmas. Some people on YouTube are already on fall. I haven't even finished decorating for the summer. I probably won't finish because shopping, it's a problem. But I am medicated, so that's great. Yeah, then here's where I get sucked in. Not on the list. Not on the list at all. But it is 40% off, and I found the perfect thing to go in the middle of the wreath that I'm going to make for my front door to hang during football season. Like I said in my last video, I want to make that Philadelphia Eagles wreath. And, you know, I've been trying to figure out what I was going to put in the middle, if anything at all. Well, this fabulousness just happens to pop up. And the regular price was $9.99, and it was 40% off, so I paid like $6 for it. And we're just building the suspense, because I know you want to see what it is, but you have to wait another 15 seconds. Because I'm rude. No. I'm finding it now, and I'm going to show it to you. Look at this. Is this not fabulous? It's got a football. It's round. It's game day. It's got the 50. Yep. In the cart it went. All right, y'all. Let's go. All right, way too much shopping for one day. Don't feel well. Let's go home.